Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Well students, today's lecture for class 5 subject English reasoning. This is your lecture 2 as lecture 1 you have already done in your last class of the same topic. So today's topic also will be the same alphabetical series with 5 letters words. Because in your previous lecture in lecture 1 you have done this same alphabetical series with 4 letters word. So now we are going to learn these new pattern series with the 5 letters words. So let's start our today's class. So students, let's revise the alphabetical series definition again, because you must have done its definition in your previous class of the same topic. So let's revise it quickly. In alphabetical series section, a string of alphabets either in a single file or in combination form a sequence. Fine. Students, in alphabetical series there will be a string of alphabets, either in a single file or a combination, in a combination form of sequence. This sequence comes together following a definite rule. Students, in any alphabetical series, like in any type of, whether it is with the third letter missing, and whether it have to find the next term, in alphabetical series there must be a definite rule. A particular rule must be there. You can't solve any series without this rule. It can be any type of series, but there must be, it is the condition that it is formed with a particular pattern, particular rule, definite rule. Students, and we for solving these types of series now we have to follow that rule. We have to solve that definite rule. We have to find out that rule. On the basis of which rule it is based on. आपको क्या करना होता है, आपको डेफिनेट जो रूल होता है उसमें पैटर्न होता है वही तो फाइंड आउट करना होता है ना. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट पैटर्न यू solve the next one, है ना. Most of the times an alphabet series or sequence will be present and you will have to find the missing term. So in this types of alphabetical series there will be a sequence, है ना. Sequence will be there and you have to find the missing term. Other instance may ask you to find the wrong term or term that is doesn't belong to the sequence. So in any type of series now you will be given there can be a one wrong term. Like if there are 5 term, then one can be wrong and you have to find that particular wrong term. So these are the types of series. So students, let's start the questions. Questions for today's series. So here is question number 1. What is the next term in the series? You have to find the next one. Here is a pattern given, like S, C, D, G, B, T, E, F, I, D, U, G, H, K, F. These are the series letters. And we have to find the next one. So first, whenever you are going to solve any series, bache, you have to find and observe the pattern. That definite rule, है ना. Let's start with the very first letter. It's here S, then T, then U, O. Can you find the pattern? Yes, because these all 3 letters are in alphabetical order, है ना. Alphabetical order, like S, T, U, then next should be V. V, है ना. Now come to second letters, C. C, and then here is E, and then after E here is G. So can you guess the pattern here? Yes, of course, because you must have done the practice too na in 4 letters series. So बच्चे यहाँ पे क्या है, like after C here is E. So you can easily find, okay, here is a one gap, है ना, one letter gap, like C. C के बाद क्या आता है? C, D, है ना, and then E. But here it is missing, it is skipped, है ना. So after C, one letter gap, then E, then one letter gap, then G. Okay. So in this second letter, this is going here. Now come to third one. Third, D. This is D, and then F. Again it is gap of one letter. D के बाद क्या आता है? E, and then F. तो again it is the same rule, है ना. And then F के बाद क्या आता है? H. वो sorry, F के बाद G, and now we are having H. Okay. So both, like इनमें क्या हो रहा है? You have in the first letter there is a continuous alphabetical series, and in the second and third there is a gap of one letter. Okay. Now come to fourth one. Fourth one is like G, and here fourth one is I. G, again one letter gap, H, I, है ना, then J, and then K. Okay, again one letter gap, and in the last one it is again. So what is the definite rule? That S, T, U, V, these are in continuous, the very first letter, है ना, first letter in the continuous pattern. And जो भी आपके like second है, third, fourth, these are in the gap of one letter gap, है ना, one letter gap is there. Okay. So our answer will be A. Okay. On the this pattern, our answer will be like our next term series will be this one. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now let's move to the second question. Student, in second, again we have to find the next term. Okay. Here is a series is given like A, K, M, G, K, next C, J, O, F, M, E, I, Q, E, O, G, H, S, D, Q. Okay. So we have to find the next term. What will be the next term? Okay. Start with the very first letter. Okay. Always try to find the like particular pattern, definite rule, and we have to start with first letter. Okay. Here is first is A, then C, then E, and then G. Okay. So let's move to the alphabetical order. A, B, C. Okay. Here is again one letter gap, and we can say plus one, है ना, one step. Then again C, D, E, F, and G. Okay. In first you have to plus one. Okay. In first letter you have to plus one. Okay. Plus one in the first letter. Okay. Now come to second one. Second is K, then J, then I, and then H. Okay. So can you guess the pattern? Like K, here is K. Okay. Then J, then I, and then H. These are your second letters. Second letter. Okay. K, J, I, H. Can you guess? Okay. If we move backward, H, I, J, K. Yes, we guess the pattern. Here it is backward. It's the alphabetical series is moving backward, or we can say -1, 2, है ना, -1 भी बोल सकते हैं. Okay, so this is going this way because अभी तक हमने क्या देखा था? Okay, alphabetical or series is moving forward, but this one is backward in the second letter. Now come to third. In third, here is M, O, Q, and S. Again it is +1 बच्चे. In third letter it is +1. Okay, one letter gap. Like M, then there is gap of N, and then it's come O, है ना? Then gap of P, then again it's come Q. Fine, in this way. In fourth letter again we have to guess. The fourth letters are G, H, I. Okay, G, fourth one, G, F, E and D. Okay, I'm writing here G, F, E and D. Okay, so again we have to find like D, E, F, G. Again it's going backward. Okay, so in fourth letter again one step backward you have to go. ठीक है, like in very first +1, in second -1, then third +1 and in fourth -1. So in fifth again it is +1. तो कैसे मूव हो रही है आपकी सीरीज? इट इज लाइक दिस. ओके, द पैटर्न क्या है? लाइक +1, पहले तो +1 होगा, देन -1, देन +1, देन -1 and then +1. It is going like this. Fine? Yes. Okay. Students, now come to question number 3. So in question number 3 बच्चे, we have to again find the next pattern. Like we have given N O M D Q R P H T U S L and we have to find the next. Again we will observe and we'll start with the very first letter of each word, N, then Q. Okay, try to frame the rule like N, and after N what come? N O P Q. Now you can see the difference. How many letters? 2. Okay, so +2 है ना? How many letter? +2. So you have to add the 2 letters in this. So N O P, then it's come to Q. Okay, after N O P then it will come Q, then R S and it will come T. Then next is U V and next will come W. Okay, you have to find like this. In the second letter बच्चे, here is O and then we are having R. Okay, so after O what will come? P, then Q and then R. Okay, so in second letter it is moving +2. Fine. In the first letter also it is moving 2 and second also. Now come to third is also the same. Okay, +2 like M and then P. M N O है ना, M N O and then P. Okay, P is on third. Okay, now come to fourth one. Fourth is D and then H. Okay, like fourth one is, first letter is D and then H. Okay, now let's start the alphabetical series. D E F G. Yes, how many letters gap is here? 3. So you have to plus the 3 steps over here. Okay, so in the fourth there is 3 step. Okay, so what is the rule for this series? Like in the first you have to move the 2 step, then again +2, then +2 and on the fourth you have to +3 है ना. This is your pattern. क्या है आपका ये? This is your pattern. Fine? Yes. Okay, so now come to last question बच्चे. Last we have D. In again this one, again you have to find the next one. Okay, as much you practice na students, as much you will be like feel okay, it's so easy है ना. It will be easy for you if you do the practice, because it is only the practice by which we can make ourselves perfect and more we can say brilliant है ना. Okay, let's start. C D E. Okay, it's very easy. It is in continuous alphabetical order. C D E and then F. Fine. Then second letter is U V W and then X. Again it is in continuous form है ना. Then S T U V. Fine. Then fourth G and here is J. Okay. In fourth one, G to J. Okay. G H I. 2 letter gap है ना. So plus 2. Okay. So in fourth one, 1 2. Third, it is continuous है ना. In a continuous form, but in the fourth one it is plus 2 for getting J है ना. We have to plus 2 for getting J, like we have to move 2 step forward. ठीक है. Yes, so this is the rule. Okay, in the fifth one, letter like B and then F. Fifth one B to F. So after B what will come? C, then D, then E. Okay, so here is plus 3. You have to plus 3 letter over here because we have to get B to F. Okay, fine. Yes, so what will be the pattern for this? Like first 2 3 continuous है ना, like we can say 1 2 3, but on the fourth we have to plus 2 and in the fifth we have to plus 3. Okay, so this will be your pattern. On these above patterns बच्चे you have to solve your homework. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, this one, this is A, B, C and D. All these 4 sums you have to do. Okay, and I will share the PDF too on Edquire as well as on the WhatsApp group for the same homework. Okay students, okay, bye bye, take care, thank you, and keep practicing for the same. Okay, bye.